They call it Gluteal Amnesia, or simply the flat butt syndrome. But if you are over 50, this isn't just about how you look in a pair of jeans. It is about your ability to move, your balance, and most importantly, protecting your lower back from chronic pain. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't just doing random workouts. We are tackling the single biggest decline in the aging body, the loss of glute strength. You might think that after 50, muscle building stops. That is a myth. The truth is your body is ready to build. It just needs a safer, smarter stimulus. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your glutes have gone to sleep. And I will give you the only 2 essential exercises you need to wake them up. Fix your posture, and yes, get that shape back. No jumping, no heavy gym memberships required. Let's dive in. Before we get to the movements, you need to understand why this transformation happens. As we age, we face something called sarcopenia, natural muscle loss. But here's the kicker. We sit more than ever. When you sit, your hip flexors in the front get tight, and your glutes in the back get stretched and weak. Eventually, your brain actually forgets how to activate them properly. This forces your lower back and knees to do all the work. If you've been feeling knee pain while climbing stairs or stiffness in your back when you wake up, 9 times out of 10, it's because your glutes are offline. The 2 exercises we are doing today focus on compound movement and peak contraction. This ensures we aren't just moving weight, but we are actually stimulating the muscle fibers to grow again. Let's start with exercise number 1. This is the king of glute exercises for anyone over 50. It's called the glute bridge. Why do I love this? Because it takes your lower back completely out of the equation if done right. It isolates the gluteus maximus without putting compressive force on your spine. Here is the setup. Lie on your back, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Your heels should be close enough to your fingertips that you can almost graze them. The execution. Now, before you lift, I want you to drive your lower back into the floor to engage your core. Now, press hard through your heels, not your toes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. The key detail. Stop when your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top for a count of 2. 1, 2, then lower slowly. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not hyperextend. Many people push their hips too high, arching their back. That hurts the spine. Keep the ribs down. We want the burn in the butt, not the back. Aim for 3 sets of 15 slow repetitions. If this is too easy, cross your arms over your chest or try doing it with one leg extended. This single leg variation is a game changer for correcting imbalances. Now that we've activated the muscle on the floor, we need to make it functional. We need to teach your body to carry your weight against gravity. Enter essential exercise number 2, the step up. This mimics real life. Climbing stairs, getting out of a car, hiking. It targets the glutes and the quads, giving you that lifted look. Find a sturdy step, a box, or even the first step of your staircase. Place one entire foot on the step. The execution. Lean your torso forward slightly. This is crucial. Leaning forward shifts the focus from the leg to the glute. Now, drive through the heel on the box to lift your body up. The secret technique. Here is the secret that most people miss. Do not push off with the back leg. Pretend your back leg is dead weight. All the effort must come from the leg on the step. Control the descent. Don't just drop down. Lower yourself slowly for 3 seconds. That eccentric or lowering phase is where the muscle tissue actually rebuilds and strengthens. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions per leg. As you get stronger, you can hold light dumbbells or even water bottles in your hands for resistance. You have the exercises, but I have to be honest with you. At 50, exercise is the spark, but nutrition is the fuel. You cannot build a stronger posterior chain without protein. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein. This means you actually need more of it, not less, to maintain muscle mass. Try to include a high-quality protein source, like eggs, yogurt, lean meats, or a plant-based shake. within an hour of doing these exercises. And consistency. You don't need to do this every day. In fact, you shouldn't. Muscles grow while you rest, not while you work. Perform these 2 exercises 3 times a week with a rest day in between. Give your body time to recover and adapt. Remember, it's not about trying to look 20 again. It's about having a body that supports the life you want to live at 50, 60, and beyond. Strong glutes mean a pain-free back, better balance, and yes, a better-looking physique. Start with the bridge, master the step up, and stay consistent. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button so this video can reach more people who need to hear this message. And tell me in the comments, which of these 2 exercises do you find more challenging? I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.